Google just broke the internet. Gemini and NotebookLM are now one tool. No more tab switching. No more lost context. Your AI just got a real brain. And I'm about to show you exactly how to use it. Let's get into it. Because what Google just dropped is genuinely one of the most useful AI updates of 2026. Not hyping it up, not clickbaiting you. This is real, it's free, and it's going to change how you work forever. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to set this up and use it to grow your business, save hours every week, and stop wasting time jumping between 100 different apps. Here's what most people are doing right now. They've got Gemini open in one tab. They've got NotebookLM open in another tab. They've got their Google Docs open somewhere else. They paste stuff in, they copy stuff out, they lose their context halfway through, and then the AI starts making stuff up because it has no idea what you actually want. Sound familiar? That was me. That was probably you too. Here's the thing. It's only as good as the information you give it. If your AI doesn't know your business, your audience, your products, your tone of voice, it's just guessing. And guessing leads to hallucinations. Hallucinations lead to bad content. Bad content wastes your time. Time is the one thing you can't get back. That's all about to change. Google just integrated NotebookLM directly into the Gemini interface. What that means in plain English is this. You can now build a knowledge base inside NotebookLM, full of your PDFs, your documents, your YouTube transcripts, your research, your SOPs, and then pull that knowledge base directly into Gemini with one click. Gemini then uses your real sources to give you real answers. No hallucinations, no fluff. Just accurate, grounded, context-aware responses based on your actual information. This is a game changer. Think of it like this. Before, you had a really smart assistant who knew nothing about your business. Now, you have that same smart assistant, but they've read everything you've ever written, every piece of research you've done, every document you've uploaded. They know your business inside and out, and they're ready to help you build, create, and grow right now. Before I show you the full setup, I want to tell you about something. If you want to go deeper with AI tools like this one, Gemini, NotebookLM, automation workflows, all of it, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious business owners and entrepreneurs come to learn how to use AI to save time, grow their business, and build systems that actually work. We use tools exactly like this one inside the community every single day to help members automate the boring stuff and focus on what actually moves the needle. The link is in the description. Check it out. Now let's get back to it. Here's how to set this up. You go to NotebookLM, you create a new notebook. Then you start uploading your sources. You can upload PDFs, links, Google Docs, YouTube, video transcripts, research papers, basically anything that's relevant to what you're working on. For example, if I'm building out content for the AI Profit Boardroom, I'd upload our community guide, our content strategy, our member onboarding documents, testimonials, the core value props of AI automation, all of it goes in there. Now, NotebookLM has a full, rich knowledge base about exactly what the AI Profit Boardroom is, who it's for, and what makes it valuable. This is what people mean when they talk about grounding your AI. You're not just asking Gemini to guess or make things up from its training data. You're giving it your specific sources, so it gives you specific answers. This is how you stop hallucinations dead in their tracks. Now here's where it gets insane. You open up Gemini. You click the little plus icon in the interface. You'll see an option to attach a NotebookLM notebook. You click it, you select the notebook you just built, and boom, Gemini is now fully connected to your knowledge base. Time, I've sync. Anytime you update your notebook, Gemini gets the update automatically. You don't have to do anything extra. So now when you ask Gemini a question, it's not just pulling from general internet knowledge. It's pulling from your specific sources, documents, your data, your research. It's where the information came from so you can verify it yourself. This is the kind of accuracy that used to take hours of manual work to achieve. Now it takes seconds. Here's a real example of how I'd use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. Ask Gemini something like, based on our community's core offer and value proposition, write a 30-day content calendar for social media that highlights the benefits of AI automation for business owners. And because Gemini is pulling directly from our actual knowledge base, it won't give me generic content. It'll give me content that's aligned with our brand, our offer, and our audience. That's the power of this integration. Now let's take it to the next level. Inside Gemini, you can create what are called gems. Gem is basically a custom AI assistant that you build yourself. You give it a name, a personality, a set of instructions, and a goal. And here's the secret weapon. You can now connect your NotebookLM notebook directly to a gem. That means your gem is powered by your knowledge base. Becomes a custom AI system built specifically for your business. Let me give you a real example. Imagine building a content engine gem for the AI Profit Boardroom. You connect it to your NotebookLM notebook that contains all your community info, your content strategy, your member research, your offer details. Then you set its instructions to say something like, you are a content strategist for the AI Profit Boardroom. Your job is to create high-converting, engaging content that attracts business owners who want to use AI automation to grow their business. Every piece of content you create should highlight the real-world value of AI tools, speak directly to entrepreneurs, and drive people to join the community. Now, every time you open that gem, it already knows everything it needs to know. You just give it a task. Write me a YouTube script. Build me a landing page outline. Create an email sequence for new members. Draft a LinkedIn post about this week's AI update. And it does it. Fast, accurate, on brand every single time. That is an automated content system. Built for free, using tools you already have access to right now. This is what separates people who use AI as a chatbot from people who use AI as an automated business system. The chatbot just answers questions. The automated system does repeatable, high-value work over and over again without you having to start from scratch every single time. And it doesn't stop at content. Think about what else you could do with this. You could build a research gem that pulls from a notebook full of industry reports and competitor analysis, and every morning it briefs you on what's happening in your space. You could build a client onboarding gem that pulls from your SOPs and onboarding docs and walks new clients through exactly what they need to do step by step. You could build a sales gem that knows your offer inside out and helps you handle objections, write proposals, and follow up with leads automatically. The point is this: NotebookLM gives your AI a memory. Gemini gives your AI a brain. Gems give your AI a job. The three together, and you have something that most businesses don't have: a real working AI system that knows your business and does actual work for you. Let me bring it all together. Here's what you learned today. First, Google has integrated NotebookLM directly into Gemini, which means your AI now has access to your real sources and real knowledge instead of just guessing. Second, you build your knowledge base in NotebookLM by uploading your documents, PDFs, links, and research. Third, you connect that notebook to Gemini with one click and it syncs in real time automatically. Fourth, you build a custom gem that's powered by your notebook, turning Gemini into a dedicated AI system that does specific, repeatable work for your business. That's it. That's the whole system. And it's available to you right now for free. If you want to take this further, here's what I'd recommend. First, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where we go deep on workflows exactly like this one, helping business owners and entrepreneurs use AI tools to build systems, save time, and grow without burning out. Not just talking theory in there. Showing real setups, real prompts, real workflows that work. The link is in the description below. And if you want to start completely free, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community with over 67,000 members who are all using AI to do more with less. You'll get the full notes from this video, access to 100 plus AI use cases, SOPs, prompt templates, and a community of people who are genuinely crushing it with AI every single day. Links are in the comments and the description. Go grab those now. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the first gem you're going to build using your NotebookLM notebook? See you in the next one.